A deposit refund system is a system in which specific items are charged with a deposit when purchasing them, which is refunded upon returning the items. So consumers pay a little surcharge, for instance 25 cents, on easily identifiable items like a PET beverage bottle, and gets the surcharge refunded at a take-back station by returning the empty PET bottle after it has been used. And due to this reward, consumers have a financial incentive to bring these items to take-back stations instead of just disposing them off as waste. And deposit refund systems are a specific form of an EPR system covering clearly defined packaging items. This means deposit refund systems can be implemented along other EPR systems with the condition that the items covered by the deposit refund system are not part of the regular EPR system. The advantages of a deposit refund systems are that the consumer have an incentive to bring back these items instead of disposing them off as waste, and this also significantly reduces the chances that these items are littered into the environment. Moreover, deposit refund systems also allow for the collection of very high-quality material fractions in large quantities, thereby allowing for high-quality recycling of these items.
A good example for a deposit system that has been introduced in Germany 2002-2003 is a mandatory deposit system for a drink bottle, a non-alcoholic drink bottle, mineral water, sodas, etc. We have a return rate of 98%, which is very high. It's several 100,000 tons of PET, for example, that is food grade, and that can be used for recycling applications, for food packaging, for example, for new drink bottles. So that's a clear advantage.
The disadvantages of deposit refund systems are that the implementation of a proper deposit refund system is actually quite challenging. A deposit refund system operates on the basis of its own regulations, definitions, agreed responsibilities, infrastructure, monitoring and inspection mechanisms. Organizing a deposit refund system is thus as demanding as setting up an EPR system for packaging in general.
If we talk about the fundamental decision, does it make sense to have a deposit system or not? There is a whole variety of different options described in the toolbox in a very detailed way. In general, I think it is interesting to start with those packaging materials that have a good market value, like PET bottles that have a high demand, even as a used one, for textile industry or for packaging industry. And to build a system that includes the informal sector in combination with the deposit system would make sense, of course, to create a certain amount of tonnage that can be sold then to those who recycle it. If it comes to the decision who should run a deposit system, there are always a lot of different options. Again, the toolbox offers a lot of detailed information on that. An EPR system could be the organizer of it, of course. It could be the retailers. It could be other actors along the value chain. To have a deposit system is always a support and an incentive for those who have used a product with a packaging to bring the empty packaging back. And incentives are always good, at least to start.